Hello there, my loves. Happy Friday. Let us head down to Siam Paragon, where I will be catching a hop-on, hop-off bus. Guys, my bus is waiting for me. Bus tours.
Hello.
Hi.
Okay.
Conditioning in this bus is crazy. It's really cold. But it's good because it's really hot out there. The moment you enter the bus, you are given wired earphones that you plug just at the back of your seat in front of you to listen to informative audio with 7 different languages. As for us, my lovelies, we are choosing the English language, but if you can understand Thai language, German, Korean, Spanish, and Chinese, then this bus is definitely for you. Next up is going through the itinerary booklet you are given at the check-in counter before you hop in the bus. This booklet indicates the routes of our tours with a guideline map, and each stop is numbered from the point of departure until the very last stop. Now, my lovelies, sit back and relax as I give you a guideline of how this bus goes around the city. As Siam Paragon being the first stop, the next or second stop is MBK Center, being the largest shopping mall in Bangkok with 2,000 shops and a lot of restaurants. It is definitely a must visit. The third stop is Wat Pho, a royal Buddhist temple where you can donate money for coffins, feed some cattle, and help to make giant candles. The fourth stop is Wat Pho in Chinatown area, a royal temple famous for having the world's largest golden Buddha statue. It is one of the main landmarks of Thailand. The fifth stop is Chinatown, being one of the best places to visit here in Bangkok to indulge in their amazing cuisine and unique culture. The sixth stop is Dragon Temple, known as Grand China Hotel, which is famous for being the coolest building with a huge dragon surrounding it. This is very interesting and must be added to the bucket list. The seventh stop is Loha Prasad, also called the Metal Castle. It is a 5-tower castle famous for having an amulet market behind it. The eighth stop is the Khao San Road, known to be a short street in central Bangkok, and it's famous for the nightlife. Here you can find it lively from 6 p.m. with blissful bars, cheap drinks, food stalls, and a lot of dancing on the streets. The ninth stop is a 21 meters long giant swing, which is a religious structure standing as a monument that's related to a Hindu church near it. It is another top touristic place to visit. So guys, I stopped in one place. I think I'm actually going to stop in this just one place because there are only 2 buses left and I only have 30 minutes to explore this place. And yeah, so it's really amazing. The roads are so clean. So we are heading to the famous temple called Wat Pho. Wow, look how beautiful it is around here, guys. Extremely beautiful. We are inside. Wow. You have to pay to get inside here, guys. 200 baht. Thank you. We are inside, guys. This place looks so beautiful. Welcome to the famous Wat Pho temple, my lovelies. The gentlemen walking past me here in orange outfits are called Buddhist monks. They serve as officiants on ceremonial occasions and they are responsible for preserving and carrying out the teachings of Buddha. Wat Pho is the biggest and oldest temple of Bangkok and the most famous in Thailand. It is so because of its rich history with a very stunning 46-meter long reclining Buddha. When you visit this temple, you must wear appropriate clothes such as covering your chest, shoulders, and wear bottoms that cover below your knees. When you enter religious buildings, you also take off your shoes. The temple is open from 8 a.m. until 5 p.m. It gets crowded with tourists and traffic that drops and picks people here. Here in Wat Pho, you will enjoy watching so many Buddha statues, Chinese-style rock gardens, giants carved from granite, and much more.
La gente va a poder votar a través de Instagram. ¿Quién cree que va a hacer? Se otorgará un descuento de 5 segundos. ¿Ya?
นี่เอาพี่สองไปทิ้งข้างหลัง
Okay, we are going inside here. We have to take off our shoes and put in the bag. Here we go. Guys, it's very hot, so I am done at Wat Pho. Let me know on the comment section below what you think about the experience here in Wat Pho, and if you think you'd love to visit such a very historic place. I really loved it so much. I enjoyed my time, and yeah, so I am back at the bus station. I'm going to wait for my bus. I think it comes every 45 minutes, so I don't know if I'm gonna sit here for 45 minutes or it's already on the way here. But anyway, we'll just sit here and wait for it. Moving on to the 11th stop, which is the Royal Grand Palace, which is a complex of buildings in the heart of Bangkok. It is famous for being the official residence for kings and royal government. Our 12th stop is Wat Pho, which is another major touristic spot, a Buddhist temple recognized to be iconic and most beautiful. It is famously called Thailand's Eiffel Tower because of the 79-meter long spire that's very unique. The 13th stop is Icon Siam, one of the largest malls in Asia, opened in 2018. It is one of Bangkok's most luxurious shopping center. The 14th stop is the Mahanakhon Skywalk, the tallest observation deck to enjoy the 360-degree panoramic view of the Bangkok city. It is the most exciting attraction. The 15th and last stop of our tour is the Patpong Night Market, where you can dine and eat all you can from street food and shop clothes, bags, shoes, and much more. I hope this video has been helpful to you for your next trip to Bangkok and places to visit. If you like this video, make sure you add this channel to your watch list. From me today, it's all love. Toodles, toodles. Just para ti.